Understanding Ethereum Explained. Simply, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're demystifying Ethereum, another popular cryptocurrency that's making waves in the digital world. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what Ethereum is, how it works, and how you can get involved. Let's get started. Ethereum, often abbreviated as ETH, is a decentralized platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. Like Bitcoin, it operates on blockchain technology but offers additional functionality beyond digital currency. A brief history. Ethereum was proposed in late 13 by Vitalik Buterin, a cryptocurrency researcher and programmer. The development of Ethereum was crowdfunded in 2014, and the network went live on July 30th, 2015. Since then, it has grown to become one of the largest blockchain platforms in the world. Key points about Ethereum. 1. Smart contracts. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. 2. Decentralized applications, DApps. Developers can build decentralized applications on Ethereum, ranging from financial services to gaming and social media platforms. 3. Ether, ETH. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum platform and is used to pay for transaction fees and computational services on the network. 4. Blockchain technology. Ethereum's blockchain is similar to Bitcoin's but includes additional features to support smart contracts and dApps. 5. Ethereum Improvement Proposals, EIPs. EIPs are proposals for changes or additions to the Ethereum protocol, voted on by the community to improve the platform's functionality. How Ethereum works. Smart contracts. Ethereum smart contracts are executed on the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, a decentralized runtime environment. This allows developers to create programmable agreements that automatically execute when predefined conditions are met. Decentralized applications, DApps. DApps built on Ethereum run on the Ethereum blockchain, providing transparency, security, and censorship resistance. Users interact with DApps using cryptocurrency wallets. Ether, ETH. Ether serves as both a digital currency and a fuel for operating on the Ethereum network. Users pay transaction fees, known as gas fees, in Ether to execute smart contracts and use dApps. How to get involved with Ethereum. 1. Buying Ethereum. You can buy Ethereum on cryptocurrency exchanges using fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. 2. Storing Ethereum. After purchasing Ethereum, you'll need a secure wallet to store your Ether. Wallet options include hardware wallets, software wallets, and online wallets. 3. Using Ethereum, you can participate in decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, play blockchain-based games, or even create your own dApps on the Ethereum network. Risks of investing in Ethereum. 1. Market volatility. Like all cryptocurrencies, Ethereum's price can be highly volatile, leading to potential gains or losses for investors. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. Regulatory changes or crackdowns on cryptocurrency could impact Ethereum's value and legality in certain jurisdictions. 3. Security risks. Smart contracts and dApps built on Ethereum may be vulnerable to bugs, hacks, or vulnerabilities, leading to financial losses for users. Regulation and future outlook. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. While some countries embrace blockchain technology, others impose strict regulations or outright bans. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically execute when predefined conditions are met. How can I buy Ethereum? You can buy Ethereum on cryptocurrency exchanges using fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. What are gas fees? Gas fees are transaction fees paid in Ether to execute smart contracts and use dApps on the Ethereum network. Can I build dApps on Ethereum? Yes, developers can build decentralized applications, DApps, on Ethereum using programming languages like Solidity. Ethereum is a powerful blockchain platform that goes beyond digital currency, enabling developers to build decentralized applications and smart contracts. While investing in Ethereum can be lucrative, it's essential to understand the risks and potential rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Have questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.